Stephen, you've raised concerns about the possibility of someone acquiring EMP devices through military connections or the black market. Can you elaborate on this and the associated risks and legal considerations?
Certainly, Joanna. It's indeed possible for someone to acquire EMP devices through illicit means such as military connections or the black market. These devices, typically regulated and controlled by government and military entities, can pose significant risks if they fall into the wrong hands. Ruth and Brian can provide more details on this issue.
Ruth, can you explain how military connections could lead to unauthorized access to EMP devices?
Of course, Joanna. Individuals with military connections may have access to advanced technologies, including EMP devices. Unauthorized distribution or leakage of such devices can occur, leading to their availability outside official channels. Security breaches within military organizations can result in sensitive technology being stolen or sold illegally.
And Brian, what about the black market? How does it facilitate the acquisition of EMP devices?
The black market plays a significant role in the illicit trade of EMP devices. It can bypass regulatory controls and make these devices accessible to individuals or groups with malicious intent. Transactions on the black market lack oversight, increasing the risk of misuse and endangering public safety.
What are the implications and risks associated with the unauthorized acquisition of EMP devices?
The implications are severe. EMP devices can cause significant damage to electronic devices, disrupting communication, transportation, and essential services. Critical infrastructure, such as power grids and medical equipment, can be severely affected by EMP attacks, leading to widespread consequences.
There are also health and safety concerns. Untrained individuals using EMP devices can inadvertently harm themselves or others. The intense electromagnetic fields generated can cause physical injury and environmental hazards. High-power EMP devices can emit harmful radiation, posing health risks to those nearby.
What about the legal considerations? What should people be aware of?
Acquiring, possessing, or using EMP devices without proper authorization is typically illegal and subject to strict regulations. Violations can result in severe penalties, including fines and imprisonment. Governments actively monitor and enforce laws related to the possession and use of such technology.
Ethical concerns also play a role. The use of EMP devices raises significant ethical concerns, particularly regarding the potential for misuse and harm to others. Individuals and organizations must be held accountable for the responsible use of technology to ensure public safety.
Stephen, how do you plan to address these concerns in your efforts to raise awareness and advocate for safety?
Addressing these concerns requires a multifaceted approach. I plan to raise awareness about the potential risks and legal ramifications of EMP devices, emphasizing the importance of adhering to regulations and ethical considerations. Collaborating with experts and advocating for stricter enforcement can help mitigate these risks.
Your commitment to raising awareness and promoting safety is commendable. Sharing your insights and strategies not only helps you but also provides valuable guidance to others concerned about the misuse of EMP technology.
In this 28th part of our series, we've explored the potential acquisition of EMP devices through military connections or the black market, including the associated risks and legal considerations. Stay tuned for the next part, where we will continue to explore potential defensive strategies and support systems for those affected by similar forms of harassment.
Stephen's story continues to highlight the relentless nature of technological harassment and the sophisticated strategies required to combat it. By continuing this series, we aim to provide a comprehensive understanding and foster a dialogue that can lead to meaningful change.